Hello, friends. It's Mr. Nick here with another book from the Greene County Humane Society. That's right, they have purchased this book for your school library. So if you love this book, you can check it out right at your own school, teachers and students. This book is called It's Raining Cats and Cats, written by Jean Provost, illustrated by Amelia Hanson. And you might notice that special sticker in it, a gift from the Greene County Humane Society. It's raining cats and cats. Jim, Mom, and Calico Molly arrived home from the animal hospital. As they unlatched the cat carrier and let sleepy Molly out, gray clouds covered the sun and rain tumbled down. Goodness, it's raining cats and dogs, Mom burst out. Jim looked out the window for any cats or dogs that might be plunging down from the sky. He saw only sheets of rain. Then he looked at Molly's belly and saw pink bare skin and 4 stiff black threads, like twist ties stitching a cut. "Mommy, look, Molly's hurt." "It's okay, Jim," Mom said. "The vet gave her some special medicine so that she wouldn't feel any pain." You can see the stitches there. Why did she have to have an operation? She wasn't sick. If she hadn't had this special operation, Jim, she'd have kittens, litters of kittens every year. She'll soon be back to normal. "But it would be fun to have kittens," Jim protested. The cats and dogs' rain made a sleepy sort of music. Mom said, "Let's imagine what would happen if Molly hadn't had this operation." "Mom, why are there cats in the dressers and cats downstairs?" "Molly's had kittens." "Mom, why are there cats on the roof and cats in my room?" "Molly and Molly's kittens had kittens." "Mom, why are there cats in the kitchen and cats in the cabinets?" "Well, Molly and Molly's kittens had kittens." "Mom, there are cats on my bed and cats on my head." It started with Molly. She gave birth to Dolly, Holly, Prince, and Pete. Then Dolly gave birth to Tom, John, Veronica, Monica, and Magic. Holly gave birth to Mirror, Major, Lacey, and Dicey. Prince is the father of Duke, Jones, Duchess, Jasmine, Jake, and Daly. Pete is the father of only Lady and Princess. But Lady had 3 families of 5 in a year. That's Addison, Bradley, Charlie, Denver, Ernest, Frankie, Glinda, Harriet, Jack, Koala, Nutshell, Lenny, Madison, Oprah. Next year, she might have 15 more. I wonder how many kittens Princess and Addison will have. Bradley, Charlie, in 1 year? In 2 years? In 3 years or more? Whoa. "Mommy, there are cats on the furniture and cats on the floor, cats in the windows and cats on the walls. Mom, what will we do?" "Let's call the vet. Where's the phone?" "Hello, veterinary clinic. Hi, we're having an emergency. Too many cats." We can help. Your cats each need an operation to stop them from having kittens. Oh, we should have done this a while ago. Then we'd have only Molly, said Mom. But, Mom, what will we do with the cats we have? Let's find them all homes. Can you make a sign that says adopt a cat? Okay, I'll turn my lemonade stand into adopt a cat stand. A girl came up to Jim holding her mother's hand. She pointed shyly to the black cat, Denver. When the girl tried to hold him, he jumped down and scooted away. Here's Pocahontas instead. She's more gentle, said Jim. Mom, we've been here all day, and we've found homes for only 2 cats. I know, Jim, said Mom. I called the shelter, but they said it's full. I put an ad in the paper a long time ago, but no one answered it. Hey, why don't we take them to the school and give them away to my friends? Next morning. Get in, Ruly. Stop yelling. We aren't moving yet. You've gained weight, Pom-Pom. Can we get them all in? There, finally. Whew. All right, we're off to school with a carload of cats. Hi, would you like a free cat? No. No, thank you. Ew, no. Come on, Sally, why not? We already have 3. Why not, Danny? Our dog chases cats. Why not, Jenna? My mom doesn't want hair on the furniture. We can't afford to take care of a cat. My brother is allergic to cats. My mother won't let me have any pets. Oh, what a sweet kitty, said the custodian, scooping up Abby. You'll keep me company at night, won't you, girl? You're exactly what my grandmother wants for her birthday, said a boy, lifting up Lulu. Okay, anyone else? Only 2. Doesn't anyone here want a cat? Mom, what are we going to do? Let's go back in time when we had only Molly. We take her to the veterinarian for an operation. Jim shook his head and blinked his eyes and looked down at Molly. She stretched and pawed playfully at her pink toy mouse, purred and rubbed against Mom's sock. Mom, she's acting like herself again. Jim imagined hundreds of cats covering the floor, creeping under the furniture and clawing at the windows. Oh, Molly, I'm so glad you had the operation. I'll get the catnip. The end. Friends, I hope you liked that story. In that story, Jim had a problem. It was too many cats. Without getting your pet neutered or spayed, they may contribute to the pet overpopulation problem. That's why it's important to get your pets spayed and neutered. The Greene County Humane Society can also help with our low-cost spay-neuter clinic if you need help with that. So don't forget to reach out to the Humane Society. And also, remember you can check this book out right at your own library in your school. Thank you. Until next time. Bye-bye.